Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to do a cold start on the 97 Chevy Suburban. It's currently like 45 degrees out. Feels like 40, but the truck's been sitting for quite a while. I haven't been driving it in a while, so we'll see how she starts up. But yeah, she should start pretty easy. So I just got you guys propped up on the log and let's go fire her up. Fire it up. Not too bad. Sounds good. It's been a while since I've driven this thing. Don't have much gas in her, but sounds good. Alright, stay tuned for when it really gets cold out. We'll get some real good cold starts. Thanks for watching. Peace out, guys. Like and subscribe. Drop a comment too. Thanks for watching.